The Sphynx cat is a breed of cat known for its hairless appearance. They are affectionate and social animals that make great companions. Due to their lack of fur, they require regular bathing and grooming to maintain healthy skin. They come in a variety of colors and patterns and are recognized by major cat registries such as the CFA and TICA. According to breed standards, the skin should have the texture of chamois leather, as it has fine hairs, or the cat may be completely hairless. Whiskers may be present, either whole or broken, or may be totally absent. The cats have a narrow, long head and webbed feet. Their skin is the color that their fur would be, and all the usual cat markings, solid, point, van, tabby, tortie, etc., may be found on the Sphynx cat's skin. Because they have no fur, Sphynx cats lose body heat more readily than coated cats, making them both warm to the touch and prone to seeking out warm places. Hope you like our video. Please press share the video or leave a comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.